Try to do the following questions and check your level of knowledge. Which one of the following is the response strategy for climate change? Adaptation, variability, vulnerability, all. Answer A. Adaptation. Which one of the following is not considered as a climate proxy? Instrumental data, dendroclimatology, sedimentary content, ice data. Answer A. Instrumental data. The most common type of adaptation strategy that practiced by pastoralist communities in Ethiopia is crop rotation, migration, adoption of new crop varieties, tree planting. Answer B. Migration. The aim of United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFUC, during its establishment time was to limit the temperature increase to 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, to combat dangerous human interference with the climate system, to strengthen the capacity of vulnerability communities through various intervention, to reduce the impact of natural causes of climate change. Answer B. To combat dangerous human interference with the climate system. Assume a dry biomass of a certain forest is estimated as 1,000 kg per hectare. Then, what is the carbon content of this forest? 2,000 kg per hectare, 250 kg per hectare, 500 kg per hectare, 1,000 kg per hectare. Answer C. 500 kg per hectare. In the development of climate model, which period climate model is the most complex? Future, present, past, all. Answer A. Future. Which one of the following is considered as a major climate forcing? Anthropogenic greenhouse gases, tropospheric aerosols, orbital changes, all. Answer D. All. Which one is different from the others? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, argon. Answer A. Carbon dioxide. Which one of the following is not true about climate forcings? Positive radiative forcing can cause warming. Negative radiative forcing can cause cooling. Increases in greenhouse gas concentrations are responsible for a positive climate forcing. Changes in aerosol concentrations is responsible for a positive climate forcing. Answer D. changes in aerosol concentrations is responsible for in a positive climate forcing? Which one is not true about climate feedback system? Negative feedbacks offset initial changes of climate system. Positive feedbacks intensifies initial changes of climate system. Climate feedbacks are anthropogenic processes that either intensify or minimize the initial effect of a climate forcing. None. Answer: C. Climate feedbacks are anthropogenic processes that either intensify or minimize the initial effect of a climate forcing. Which one of the following the Earth's climate system component is most unstable and rapidly changing part of the system? Atmosphere, hydrosphere, cryosphere, biosphere. Answer: A. Atmosphere. Which one of the following data analysis method of weather and climate shows the gradual change of some variable over time? Average, variance, trend analysis, range. Answer: C. Trend analysis. Which one of the following is not true about climate models? They mostly designed to simulate future climate change and variability in response to natural-induced forces. They are used to better understand and project future climate change. They are tools used to study behavior of the climate system, its components, and their interactions. None. Answer: A. They mostly designed to simulate future climate change and variability in response to natural-induced forces. Which one of the following assumption is not considered on Special Report on Emission Scenarios, SRES? Future economic development, future technological advancement, future population growth, future geographical feature of the Earth. Answer: D. Future geographical feature of the Earth. Ethiopia Meteorological Agency informed the government of Ethiopia the occurrence of drought in southwest Ethiopia before 6 months ago. However, the government has took action after the effects of drought is revealed. Then, what type of adaptation is this? Proactive, reactive, private, planned. Answer: B. Reactive. Which one of the following is not a clean/renewable energy source? Geothermal, hydropower, fossil fuel, wind energy. Answer: C. Fossil fuel. Which one of the following is the drivers of deforestation in developing countries? Agriculture, logging, uncontrolled fire, charcoal. Answer: A. Agriculture. Which one of the following is the strategy of forest for climate change mitigation? Conservation of existing carbon stocks to prevent emission. Sequestration to increase stocks in existing pools. Increase forest area. All. Answer, D. All. Which one of the following is the changes in climate taken on the scale of the entire history of Earth? Paleoclimatology. Climatology. Meteorology. Dendrology. Answer, A. Paleoclimatology. Which one of the following are the CRGE strategies of Ethiopia? Adoption of agricultural and land use efficiency measures. Increased GHG sequestration in forestry. Deployment of renewable and clean power generation. All. Answer, D. All. Addis Ababa Railway uses solar power for transportation rather than using fossil fuel nowadays. This is one of strategies for climate change adaptation, climate change mitigation, climate change vulnerability, climate change economics. Answer, B. Climate change mitigation. Which one of the following is above ground biomass component? Stem, root, litter, dead wood. Answer, A. Stem. Which one is not true about observed and projected climate change in the Earth history? Global average surface temperature showed increasing trend. Global average sea level showed increasing trend. Northern Hemisphere snow cover showed increasing trend. The average amount of CO2 in Earth atmosphere showed steady rise over the last 2 decades. Answer, C. Northern Hemisphere snow cover showed increasing trend. Which one is not true about greenhouse gases? They are not transparent to incoming sunlight, which warms the Earth's surface. Anthropogenic, human, activities are significantly increasing atmospheric concentrations of many GHGs. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, is naturally present in the atmosphere. All. Answer, A. They are not transparent to incoming sunlight, which warms the Earth's surface. Which one is not source covers largest share of greenhouse gases emission? Burning of fossil fuel. Industrial process. Deforestation. Agriculture. Answer, A. Burning of fossil fuel. Which one of the following is true about weather and climate? A. Weather is wider in spatial sphere than climate. B. Climate is more specific in temporal sphere than weather. C. Climate is about average weather value of an area. D. Climate is more fluctuate than weather. Answer, C. Climate is about average weather value of an area. In this year some part of Asian countries faced high risk of flooding which resulted in death of many people. This form of vulnerability is natural vulnerability, socio-economic vulnerability, institutional vulnerability, cultural vulnerability. Answer, A. Natural vulnerability. Vulnerability is function of Fx equals exposure plus sensitivity plus adaptive capacity. Exposure plus sensitivity minus adaptive capacity. Exposure sensitivity plus adaptive capacity. Exposure plus sensitivity x adaptive capacity. Answer, B. Exposure plus sensitivity minus adaptive capacity. Capability to adapt climate change is the function of wealth, education, technology, all. Answer, D. All. Which one of the following is impact of climate change on coastal zones, low-lying islands and marine ecosystems? Erosion of beaches. Change in distribution of infectious/vector-borne diseases. Damage to tourism. Death of livestock. Answer, A. Erosion of beaches. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and share for your friends. See you next time.